Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today's Friday for you all. Been a busy week. Been a tiring week. Been working on the fence some more, and it was some big trees that come down across it. I don't think I've got much footage of that, but that was a several day process. It was some big trees. And hay, we got our hay up. Carolyn's got some videos of that there. Now the field she showed, it was a little bit on the thinner side, but it'll be fine for us. The first cutting was great. We got a bunch of hay rolls for that. Of course, the way this winter is, you can never tell or what it's going to be. Let's start off with Miss Shelby. Please continue keeping her in your prayers. She's doing better. The last I heard, she's still in a lot of pain, and her left eye is still shut, but they're hoping over time it's going to open back up. Pain, numbness, and just please continue praying for her, folks. It's been a bad week. Yesterday when I was on the hill, my phone went off there, and Charlie Kirk, someone assassinated him. And of course today, well, you all are watching this on Friday. Today's 9/11. But just keep everybody in your prayers. And like I said, we pray for you all. Keep us in your prayers also. And also, I got another thing. YouTube has got, if you happen to watch us on your phone, they got a little thing down there. It's called hype. If you would, it don't cost you nothing. Hype our video when you watch it there. It's there where you do the comments. There should be 3 little dots. Just hit the hype button, and that'll help us out a lot there. And I think you're allowed to hype 3 times a week. And like I said, it's free. Just if you would, just help us out a little bit there. But it ain't going to be a real long video today. We're going to show some footage here of rolling some hay. And Carolyn's been busy this week. She's been canning more, still working in tomatoes. And she canned up some more beans. It was she had soaked some dry beans and then canned them. And knock on wood, that canning stove is still working great. She likes that a lot better than the electric stove for canning on. I thought she would. Years ago, we had a gas stove, and it was a whole lot better, in my opinion. Gosh, let me fix my hat. It's all disarrayed there. You were digging, little girl? She was up in the hayfield with us there earlier. But, probably got some old fleas, didn't you? Yeah. Alrighty. Well, let's get to this here. And I don't know what all Carolyn got of it there. I was busy mowing and rolling it there. So I don't know what all kind of footage she got. But we'll take a look and see. Hope y'all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday.
everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.